Welcome to Mindfulness for Stress Management and Mental Clarity workshop. Our vision is to transform your team's understanding of stress and equip them with practical mindfulness tools for mental clarity. They will understand how to turn stress off and feel present and engaged. With 44% of employees globally feeling stressed at work, our session addresses this crucial concern. We'll explore powerful tools like heart-brain coherence, create slices of joy, and use breathing techniques to turn stress off. What would be possible if your team members could master the art of being fully present and engaged? As a high achievers coach and founder of Heal Coaching, I am here to guide your team on this transformative journey. So why wait? Book our session today and unlock a more focused, resilient, and harmonious workplace.